A very warm welcome to SplitFlap TV. What the hell is a SplitFlap, you might ask? Well, we all know those mechanical information boards that were or still are in use at airports and train stations. Those noisy message boards with the latest information. Well, we at Presentation Point, we have created a SplitFlap simulator for televisions. So basically, you can run your own SplitFlap simulator on any television. See how this works. First, you go to splitflaptv.com and you log on to your account. On a television, you have installed the SplitFlap TV player app already that you launch now for the first time. New devices need to be added to your system, and this is done by a unique device ID. Call it the license plate of your television. Go to your control panel and click Devices. Open a device and enter this device ID and give the device a proper name. It takes weeks or months to build a mechanical SplitFlap board. We do this within 1 minute. Once that your board is ready on our servers, it will show a welcome message on your television. There it is. Your SplitFlap TV is now connected. It's showing a welcome message on your TV. When you click Boards, you will find that welcome message that was generated by the system. If you want to display your own board, you can create one. Give it a name. You can choose if you want to have a clicking sound or not. And you can specify the number of rows and columns or characters that you have on the board. Click Messages and add your first message. First of all, the sequence. That's of course the sequence of the messages on the board. The content, there you can type your text. It should fit within the range of rows and columns. Everything will be shown in uppercase on the TV. And duration is the number of seconds that you want to show this message. Click Save, and this is the first message of your board. Add a new message. Sequence number is 2. And here you can type. Note that by default, all characters are displayed in white, as you can see in the preview. And we hit Save, and we have the second message ready. If you want to change the board that is displayed on the screen, go to Schedules and edit your schedule. Choose the board that you want to display and click Update. The board will empty the messages and then start displaying your latest message board. You can do much more. Let me open the documentation section of our website. Here you can find all the documentation, and you can insert the current date and time as well by just using shortcodes. Here we are going to show you how you can display real-time news on your SplitFlap. Here's some information on RSS feeds or news, and this is a working shortcode that you can insert on your message board. We copied the shortcode, and now we click Add Message. That's the third message on the board. We say Newsflash. And then we paste the shortcode. So first of all, it's RSS to indicate that we want to use news, then the URL of the news feed, and then a number which corresponds to the first article of that newspaper. Duration is 5 seconds. And we copy the information because we want to show more. We save and we add a new message. And we do the same. We paste the text and we change the article number from 1 to 2 for the second article. And we save. And we do this again for the third news article from that news website. Article number 3. That's it. And now you can emphasize some text by using another color than white. So you can select any color from the color picker, copy the hex code, that's a hexadecimal code that you can copy here, and now we paste this on the first row only. And we do this for the 3 news articles. Remember that everything is by default colored in white. Only when you specify a different hex color, then that line will be displayed in that specific color. Otherwise, it will be white. And now you can see already on the preview that the text Newsflash is in green. Flashy green. Let's create a new board. Maybe we want to prepare something that can be shown tomorrow. So promotion for tomorrow. And we click Add Schedule, where we select our display and we select the new board. We set the begin date to tomorrow, because we can schedule in advance what's displayed on the screen. It will be shown automatically. That's it, what you have to do if you want to show something else tomorrow. Another great feature, next to showing real-time news, is that you can display weather information. Look again at the documentation and copy this shortcode to display, for example, the current temperature of Brussels in Celsius. So we copy this code, and here you see some more information of what you can display with weather information. You have 5 days of forecast included in the weather information. So we go back to the messages, we add a new message, and we type in some text, for example, today's weather. That's the code for the current temperature. That's only returning a number, so we have to prefix this with some text again. So current temperature, and then will come the value from our server. If you hit save, then this information is updated in real time on your SplitFlap TV. SplitFlap TV is ideal for your coffee shop, hotel, airport, train station, trendy travel agency, or whatsoever. You can display news, weather, your own products and services, promotions that you have, opening hours, and so on. Check out more at splitflaptv.com.